Yes sir, rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back out here with another video of the Pull Up King. House call, got a new client. 2013 INFINITI G37 alternator replacement. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
We're gonna be starting at the top. Then we're gonna have to get to the bottom. We're actually gonna pull it out from the bottom. But we wanna get the belt and everything off. We wanna remove this coolant reservoir. Go ahead and start with that. Get that out. Go ahead and work on getting this belt off. Belt tensioner right here. We got a 3/8 ratchet. We can put on that. All right, we got the belt off. All right. Now we're gonna go to the bottom. Make sure you take out your battery, your positive terminal. We're gonna go ahead and take that off and go up under it. Get to work. All right, we got it up in the air. Jack stand. Safety first. All right, all right, you can see the alternator is right there. All right, it normally has a skid plate you got to take off, but his is gone already. Everything is open. So, all right, we're gonna start with these bolts here. This little bracket. Got that off. 12 millimeter bolts. Off of those are 12 millimeter bolts. All right. Now you can see your power wire. Take that one off. Take off your connector. And should be one more bolt at the top. Holding the alternator in. So we got these two notches right here. We want to line those notches up, release the tension on the belt tensioner, and put something in the slot to hold them together so they don't move. That way you can get that bolt out on the top of the alternator. All right, so that's how that goes. Stick something up in there, hold that belt. Now we can get to the bolt. I'm gonna show you where. That's the only way to get the belt and the tension, the belt tensioner to stay in place, so you can get that belt out. Get the bolt from the top. I'm sorry. All right, so I got the bolt out, and as you can see, that's how far it comes out. So that radiator, it is in a way, so I'm gonna have to at least come up some so this can pull out. Hopefully I'll have to take out the whole radiator, but it's been ready to come out. So, alright, we got one bolt here, 10 mil. Another one over here I done took out already. And I got it, you can see it's moving. All I need to just make clearance for that. So let's see if I can make it happen. Look like we there. Let's go below. Let's see what we got. That's the alternator bolt. See how I can move that back more. Just gotta put the radiator up a little higher, and I can pull that out. Alright, let y'all see this. Alright, you see that bolt? See how I got it? Got it out. All by pushing that radiator up. Instead of taking the whole thing out. Yes, sir. Alright, go ahead and take off these connectors. Power wire. Alright, as soon as we get those off, connector out. So they got these two 8mm bolts holding this bracket on the back of the alternator. Once I get that off, you can get the alternator to drop out. As the power wire is actually hooked to it like a harness, so therefore it looks like this. That's not coming out unless you undo it from up there. Right here, this little clip right there holds that in. So you can see the position that I'm bringing it out. Just move those hoses out the way, squeeze it through. Alright, man, I gotta take this to AutoZone and swap it out. He got a warranty on it. And he is paying me a convenience fee for that trip. Just so you all know what type of fees you're looking at, or you can have it done yourself. He doesn't mind, so we're gonna go ahead and swap this out, man. Let's get it. Ooh, that thing shot. That's why it's always good to get a battery or alternator with a warranty on it. You just never know what could happen. That's it. Alright, we back at it. Go ahead and put this thing in reverse order. Alright, that's the alternator in. Got it in position, got all my connectors on. I'm gonna go ahead and put that top bolt in. Alright, we got the alternator installed. All the connectors. And put that belt on and hook up the battery. We good. Put that fan back in place. Alright, we got the belt back on. Fans are in place. Go ahead and install this coolant reservoir. Get that battery back in there. Go ahead, drop it low. Try to crank it. Might need to jump it. Go ahead. Hey man, it's gonna be it. Hey man, if y'all liking the content, man, you know what to do. Get a video a thumbs up, man. I appreciate the likes. Make sure you comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Until the next video, the Pull Up King.
With
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.